Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Everstaff Employee. First, you need to do is open your Google Chrome web browser and in the top section over here, type down Everstaff Employee Login and enter it after you're done. And from here, what you have to do is click on this option that says Everstaff, which is the official website of it. And after that, you'll be landing to the Everstaff official homepage, and in the top, there's this option that says Employee Login. Click on that and you'll be redirected to the another page. And what you have to do is type down your username or email as by your preference and click on the continue. And again, so you have to type down your password, but if you have forgotten your password, you also have this option that says forgot password in order to recover or reset it. And after you're done, click on the continue and then you'll be successfully logged in to your Everstaff employee login. So this is it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.